Wilson. She is the co-founder for Stand for Health Freedom, author of Reclaim Vitality and the Vaccine Decision. Give it up for Leah.
Stand for Health Freedom filed a brief in the Durnell case on your behalf, on behalf of our 1 million health freedom advocates, on behalf of you, the people, the primary stakeholders in public health. And we told the court this, that this case is about informed consent. Because health decisions are not made in doctors' offices, they are made in our daily decisions, including the products that we're exposed to. So this case is about people. It's about your moms and dads. It's about workers, neighbors, farmers, and people like Durnell who believed what they were told and got hurt. And across this country, Stand for Health Freedom has been fighting this very battle, and we've been winning. We fought in 12 states with you, the people, and we won in 9 of them. We fought twice in Congress and won both times. And we're still fighting the farm bill that's on Congress's desk today. And let me tell you, the Supreme Court has already said in this very situation that the people still have a voice and the states still have a role. And we reminded them of that. So not only do we want Durnell to win, legally, he should win. And let me be clear about something else. Monsanto and the Modern Ag Alliance, their Modern Ag Alliance, are going door to door in the state houses today, telling the representatives that if you are anti-liability shield, you are anti-farmer. And that is a lie. Stand for Health Freedom supports farmers, we fight for farmers, we work with farmers, and we want farmers to win. Now, here's what I'm going to tell you from our experience, is that your voice is the difference maker. And when our representatives understand what these bad rules do, then they can stand up for the people. And if they don't, then at least we knew that they knew exactly what they were voting on. Because too many times, friends, I'm going to tell you that bad votes are happening by your representatives because the only story they heard was the industry's story. And that's why your voice makes the difference. Not sometimes, not occasionally, but over and over and over again. When people show up with the truth, it changes the outcome, and we have the receipts to prove it. We told the court that the fact that Monsanto is going state to state right now, waging this battle, and we're having to show up and win it, is evidence that they want a rule change, and the current law does not allow what they're asking for. And you know that it's the court's job to tell us what the law is, not write the law. So we told the court this. This is bad use of tort reform, because some of these justices, they might be friendly to tort reform, but not in this situation. It's a bad application, because tort reform is exactly what happened in 1986 when Congress gave a liability shield to vaccine makers. And it was a bad use of tort reform then, and it's a bad use with pesticides today, friends. And now here's where you come in. Because your voice matters more than you can imagine, and it's about to matter even more in the 2026 midterm elections. And here's a secret, I'm going to say it out loud. Show up in your state's primary this spring or summer. This is where decisions are made for public health. This is where the future for your children in your state and our country are set, is in the primary elections. And the story around these elections needs corrected. Because the media wants you to believe that we're divided and that we should give up. But I'm going to tell you, you can go ahead and bet on that horse, because we are stronger than ever, and Health Freedom is the largest, strongest, single-issue voting bloc in America today. Being frustrated and being divided are two very different things. We are independent from any party, and we are stronger than ever, so it's not time to give up. It's time to show up. And we're gonna show our strength and vote for health freedom. First in your state's primary and again in November. We've done the work for you. We've done the research, so you can cast a vote for health freedom. All you have to do is go to votehf.com, and we're going to tell you which ballots to cast in your own state's election. So if you go to votehf.com, SHF.com and get your state's voter guide, because these issues are wildly popular and it's on us to prove it at the ballot box. So let the record show, just like we did in 2024, we're going to show up and decide the elections in 2026 because we are America's new majority.